Let's go for a new recipe. The duck biscuits with strawberry glaze. Wash your hands first and prepare your ingredients. You need flour, sugar, orange juice, and melted butter. In a bowl, put the flour, form a small well with your fingers, then add sugar and mix. Add the melted butter. If you prefer, you can use a spoon to mix it or mix it with your hands. Add the orange juice, knead your dough well, and make a ball of dough. If it's too sticky, you can add flour. Keep the dough in the bowl and cover it with a tea towel. The dough is ready. Put it on a baking paper. Press with the palm of your hand, like this, and cover the dough with another baking paper. Press a little and roll it out. Your dough should neither be too thin nor too thick. Take off the baking paper and use a cookie cutter shaped as a duck. You will find all the material links in the introduction part of the video. Press and make several duck shapes on the dough. Softly take off the dough around the ducks and keep this dough to make others cookies. Place your cookies on a baking paper . And cook it for about 20 minutes. Ask an adult to help you. For the strawberry glaze, in a bowl, put a white egg and add icing sugar. You should have the consistency of toothpaste. So mix the egg with the icing sugar and after add the strawberry juice. Perfect. Now you can add the strawberry juice little by little. If it's too liquid, you can add icing sugar. If you want a color more red, you can use natural food color. Find the link in the introduction part. Here I use natural color. It's an extract of strawberry. When the cookies have cooled, we can glaze it. Use the smoothest part of the cookie and with a spoon spread the glaze. Don't go too close the edges or your icing will run. I will show you a little trick for the edges. Use a toothpick for the thinner part and do these 2 steps for all your cookies. Let it dry and bon appétit! Thank you for helping us to bake the duck biscuits. I hope you like this new recipe. Thanks to you, Tao and Capucine have found a new clue.
It must be the old city de Linzong.
Yes, let's go to Lijiang. See you!